Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Vishal and you're watching the Coding Corner. In this video, we'll cover the HTML essential elements, which may play a small yet important role while improving the user interface of your web page. Alright, let's get started. Now, you might come across some links in blogs or social media. Also, you might find our social media links to Instagram and Discord in the description box. So, just clicking these links, you may find yourself on a new page which might be a different website. So, those are the anchor tags. Next, horizontal ruler. Now, for separating your content from the previously written content on the same web page, you might want to use some simple rulers, some simple thin lines that may differentiate your content. That's when the horizontal ruler comes into picture. Next, break line. Now, you may want to bring your content on the next line of the previously written content. That's when we use the break line. Next, bold and italic. Sometimes we may want to emphasize our content by just simply bolding them or italicizing them so that they stand out to be different in the whole web page and grab attention. Next, subscript and superscript. Now, if your web page is an educational website or something like that, so subscript and superscript come in very handy. Alright, let's get right into the code. Alright, so I have my Visual Studio Code open here and we'll start with the bold tag. While writing the bold tag, you just have to type in the B tag and write your content. Let's say bold tag. For italic, we write I tag and I'll type in italic tag. I'll just hit save. As you can see in my browser here, the bold tag and the italic tag appear. Now I want this italic tag to be coming on to the next line. Yeah, you guessed it right. We'll use the break line tag. So I'll just type in the BR tag. The BR stands for line break and I'll just save it and I'll just reload my web page. So as you can see, it just popped into the new line. Alright, so let's do the anchor tag. So I'll just type in the anchor tag. For anchor tag, we use A as the tag name. And at this point in HTML, there are attributes to each of the tags. One example of this is A tag, that is the anchor tag. So for providing the website on which it should redirect, we need to specify that into our attribute, that is the href. Now we'll just type in, let's say, https www.google.com and we'll type in Google to display as the text. Now here the Google will display as the text for our link. This is the website where we'll be redirected if we click on this Google. Alright, so I'll just hit save and in the browser I'll reload my web page. So as you can see, Google appears here and when I click Google, it opens up in the same tab. Now what if I want to open it in the new tab? Let's see that. For opening your website or your mentioned link in the new tab, you have to give the attribute target the value of blank. Now there are two values to the attribute target. self and blank. Self is by default set whenever you are typing in a reference. So for mentioning or for opening your website in the new tab, you have to mention the target to be blank. Alright, so I'll hit save, and in the browser I'll reload it, and as you can see it opens up in the new tab. Alright, so let's do some subscript and superscript stuff. So before that I'll just keep it on a new line, again on a new line. Let's say I'll just go with it. So I'll just make a paragraph, and inside of that I'll type in, let's say, H2O. H2O. So for making this 2 as a subscript, we have to wrap it inside of the sub tag, that is the sub tag. So I'll just type the 2 over here, and similarly for this superscript, let's say we are doing x square for superscript, and I'll type x and then write sup. This is how these tags are written. For subscript it is sub, for superscript it is sup. So you can see the while I am hovering, you can see the MDN reference that shows us that the sup element represents a superscript and the sub element represents a subscript. Right, I'll just hit save, and I'll reload my web page. So as you can see, the H2O appears and the x square also appears. Now for doing the horizontal ruler, let's say we want to differentiate these two contents. So after the Google, I'll type in the HR tag and we'll see what impact does it make. So in the code editor here, I'll just go up to the Google tag, and next to it I'll type in the HR, that is the horizontal ruler tag. I'll hit save, and in the browser I'll just hit reload. As you can see, the thin line that just separates your content is so impactful on the user interface. Alright, so that's it for the day, and next time we shall see the newer tags that have come in HTML5 for the bold and italic that are strong and emphasis. Stay tuned, we are going to cover more of these advanced topics. Now, if you have any doubts in this video, just feel free to leave a DM on our Instagram handle or contact us on our new Discord server. The links to our Instagram and Discord have been given in the description box below. Now, if you have any suggestions, please do leave a comment. We'll surely take it into consideration. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends so that they can even learn a new technology. Alright, so that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Happy coding.